Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to start mining on the STARX app completely free. If you are looking for a promise crypto mining project, this is one you may want to keep an eye on. Let us get started. First, download the STARX app. Create a new account using your email address. After signing up, verify your account if required, then log in to access your dashboard. Once you are on the home screen, simply tap the Start Mining button. That is all you need to do to begin earning STRX token. Remember to come back every 24 hours to activate a new mining session. Increase your mining rewards completely the available tax. These tasks may include checking in daily, follow the project social media, or participating in a community activities. Always check this session because new tasks can be added at any time. You can also earn more STRX by inviting your friends with your referral link, and the more active referrals you have, the more reward you may receive. At the moment, the project is still under development. Continue mining consistently and follow the official STARX announcement for updates and on withdrawals. Token listing. That is it for today's video. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel and turn on notification so you don't miss future crypto airdrop and mining updates. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next video.